Here's a 2005 Honda Accord Coupe. Honda made no compromises with this luxurious and practical Accord. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. AM/FM stereo radio, key fob activated rear windows, front heated leather bucket seats, garage door transmitter, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive reports the Accord's doors are built using a unique method that makes them light and strong. You can clearly hear the quality in the sound when you close them. You feel quality also in the light touch required to open the trunk. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.